One day there was a big, beautiful bird, and everyone always asked how it got its amazing wings. The penguins asked the cardinal once about his wings, and the cardinal told him the story. All the creatures at the beginning loved swimming and doing tricks. The dolphin, manta ray, and orca loved to jump out of the ocean water. They would leave droplets in the air that made rainbows. As they jumped, the cardinal tried to stop playing in the water, but that didn't work. Then he tried playing on the land, and that worked. He became a land animal. He started growing feathers, and then he grew wings. At first, everyone on the land thought his wings were silly, but then Cardinal noticed that his wings were special. He flew all the time because it was fun for him, not to mention it showed off his beauty. He also tried to teach the other animals how to fly, so that the other animals would not be sad about not being able to fly. The end.